Leslie, welcome to Talk Satellite.
Thank you for having me, Kevin. It's a pleasure to meeting you at Satellite 2025. It's nice to see you here.
So CECOM, a company with long heritage, you're publicly trading on the Toronto Venture Exchange under the CMI and on the New York over-the-counter as CYSNF. So can you take us through the highlights of this heritage and your thoughts on the direction the market is heading?
We have started the company 28 years ago. We have been in business quite a while, obviously. I started the company with my CTO, Bilal Awada, and we have over the years developed antenna systems that are used in transportable situations on the pause. And recently we have introduced the mobile ESA-based electronically steered antenna. The company has sold over 11,000 antennas in 100 plus countries. And our model is the reseller model. We have over 600 active resellers in 100 plus countries. And we are here at the show today and demonstrating our MEMPAC antennas, our vehicle mount 1.2 meter antenna, and the recently approved Eutelsat for 74 centimeter antenna with the latest transceiver that does electronic switching. The company is hoping to release or will release the 1,000 element ESA, and followed later on with a 4,000 element ESA that will be used for GEO, LEO, MEO, multi-orbit constellations. It's all Ka band, so it's kind of new and sophisticated technology. We have spent 6 to 7 years developing it with the assistance of the University of Waterloo in Canada, where the original design emanated from. And we are also in the process of releasing an 8-channel beamformer, analog beamformer, that will be used in the manufacture of our ESA antennas. This beamformer hopefully will reduce dramatically the power consumption and also the cost of the antenna that we will be building.
Okay, so final stages of testing on your revolutionary Ka-band electronically steerable antenna. Can you provide more detail on that?
Yes, we have tested the 1,000 element antenna on Telesat's GEO and LEO, and I'm happy to say that it worked flawlessly on the service. We will continue to test both the 1,000 element and the 4,000 element antennas with GEO and LEO in the next couple of months, and we expect to test and have approvals from other satellite service providers who are interested in testing the antennas on their service.
Okay. So, and CECOM's analog beamforming integrated circuit, more detail.
Yes, the 8-channel beamformer is essentially the heart of the antenna system. We are going to have test chips available for customers to try sometimes by the end of the summer, and we should be in production early next year in quantities. And these chips are going to produce or provide us with a lower cost ESA antenna, and also will be utilized in many different applications such as 5G, 6G, where they will be used for different types of application other than ESA type antennas. So we expect that this segment of the business, which is a new segment to us, will generate incremental revenues for us, and we look forward to its release and also to its acceptance.
R&D, what does it take to keep ahead of the game?
It takes a lot of patience, a lot of money, and a lot of frustration, and also some vision. We started the development of the ESA antenna, as I said, 6 to 7 years ago, when Ka satellites or LEO satellites were not even available. And we believe in the philosophy of build it and they come, because this is how we started our business, and so far it has worked. The company has been profitable for most of its 28 years. It has no debt, does not borrow money. It has about $25 million of working capital. And we believe that this new technology will take the company to the next phase of its future, and will generate incremental revenues to our existing satellite products that we sell today.
Okay, so what trends are you seeing from your customers, and how best can you address these requirements?
Well, as you probably know, there's been a lot of talk about LEOs and the constellations. And SpaceX obviously was a company that disturbed the equilibrium in the satellite industry. And as a result of it, there's a lot of uncertainty in the market. A lot of the companies are not sure which direction this market is going. And so I'm seeing a slowdown in the business as a result of this, but there's also hope with the LEO and MEO markets that are coming up from different suppliers in the market other than SpaceX. And we believe that there will be new opportunities, new type of applications where our ESA, for example, that's a Ka band ESA, very flexible, adaptable to many different requirements, will be able to be utilized in many different applications where a typical geostationary parabolic antenna would not be possible to use. So I believe firmly that the market will recover, and it will start generating revenues for both the service providers and for the hardware manufacturers, but it may take a little while.
Leslie, thank you very much. We wish you every success.
Thank you, Kevin. It was a pleasure talking to you again, and see you again next year.